So one of the things that you can actually go ahead and do is add in a comparison slider widget so that you can go ahead and slide in between two images. So to go ahead and do that, you can go to widget right here. And then what you can do is you can go ahead and say slider right here. Once you go ahead and type, you can see comparison slider. Click on it. And then what happens is that a comparison slider widget actually pops up. So if I were to go ahead and preview out the form right here, and once you go ahead and do that, you can see that I can slide in between two images by using the handle in the center right here, just like this. So now let me just turn it off, and over here you can see that I have an option to add in image URL right here. So let me just go around over here. I can see that I have an image URL. Let me just go ahead and copy it and paste this right here in image B4, and you can see that image. And then you got the other image. Let's just go ahead and copy and paste this out right here, and the other image is loaded out. And you can see that the size is adjusted accordingly as well. So if I were to go ahead and update and preview out the form now, then you can see the comparison in between these two images right here. And that is what basically the comparison slider widget actually allows you to do in Jotform. As with any other fields, of course, you can go ahead and change around the alignment, work around with the width and height right here, just like this, and make it required or not. But usually this is just for the sake of giving information, so you don't really need to make it required right here. So this is basically it right here inside of Jotform for using comparison slider widget to compare out different images among each other. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.